I love you, JP. Today is January 20th, and what's really arise from my sickness is a very bad cough, and even Robitussin will not help me. It's terrible. I don't know. Oh God. Yesterday my sinuses were my biggest problem. Now it's my cough. My cough wasn't actually that bad yesterday, and now it's. I hate being sick. This is the second time I've been sick, and you know what? There's usually a huge time frame between like a year, between or 6 months until I get sick again. Not a month. Oh, God damn it! This sucks so much. You have no idea. I'm not used to be getting sick. But when I do get sick, it gets pretty bad. It can get a lot worse though than what it is now. Oh God, today it was just Beth's birthday. We went over, me and Erica, and we pretty much just relaxed. I didn't feel good. I barely got to eat again. This is the second time I've been sick, and each time I went over to Mimi's to eat food, and I couldn't eat. I don't know. There must be like a connection of me going out and eating, and me not allowed to do so, because usually I feel sick and I can't eat as much, and I don't understand it. Why can't I eat food when I go out? It just, if anybody can answer me that, I would love to know. Erica's actually showed me something. I watched all their videos within like the first hour. We Have Girlfriends. It's just them talking about stories, and I just love listening to stories that are interesting. And so I thought, hey, I'll watch it. I'm already subscribed. I watched all 19 videos. I hope they're still doing it. I don't know when their last video was out. That's one of the people that were in the thing. You probably can't even see it anyway. So anyway, that's all for today. That's all I did today. Also, I'm working on the way beating Sonic. On like one of the last zones, I got all the Chaos Emeralds, and since I can save, the game has been a lot easier. I like it. Okay, well, I will see you tomorrow.